You know what else stinks on ice? Iced Americanos. You've heard it said Iced Americanos are the worst. And I'm here to tell you I agree. But there's a better way to do it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's learn how to improve this drink that I think has a lot higher of a ceiling than we give it credit for. So a lot of times when someone's making an Iced Americano, you get your cup, you get your ice, you get your water, you fill it up, and then you just put an espresso on top. No, don't do that. What you're getting is diluted blah, okay? So that's why we're gonna build it in a tin. We're gonna pour the same amount of espresso over ice. So I got about 40 grams of espresso. I'm gonna pour that over 40 grams of ice. What I wanna do is start bringing down that temperature before I integrate it into my water. So I'm actually gonna add a little bit of water as well, about another 80 grams. What I'm gonna do here is gonna get a full dilution. Cocktail shake. And I'm gonna shake it until I don't hear that ice rattling around anymore. I'm gonna have a chilled product. Boom. Then I have a frothy, cold mixture, and I'm just gonna slide it on some ice. So instead of a lukewarm glass of coffee water, you got a well-made, shaken iced Americano. Do yourself a favor, make the iced Americano this way. Not bad. Oh, it's still bad though.